morning, everyone. Yeah, yours not fooling you. I'm running in the rain. It's the morning. As I said in a previous video, my goal for today was, for this week, I'm sorry, I was running 5 times this week. I'm going for some laps across my street. Yeah, it's fucking raining. But you know what? This shit it's not gonna stop. People say, oh, you're gonna get sick by running in the rain. Well, let me ask you something. You probably know right now there are tons of homeless people in this fucking world. Nobody gives a shit that they're sleeping in the rain, that they don't have any clothes to wear. So it's so different for me who runs willingly in the rain. And there are people who are broken poor and then are sleeping in the rain. I'm almost there. So I got a street to go. After this I'm going back home. And later I'm gonna work out in the gym. Come on. Alright, let me stop right here for a moment. I want to show you something. Okay. Here. Shit. Yeah. Look at this. It's raining. But you know what? This isn't that bad. Let me show you something. Yeah, you see this tree? That's where I'm finishing my race. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Remember, guys, we can't let our circumstances define our progress. Whether it's an exercise or something else entirely different, we're just gonna push through it. I'm almost here. 5 meters. Let's go. And you know, just as I was running, I was seeing some guys working on construction in the middle of this rain. And I don't see them complaining. I'm almost here. Find a couple of meters. And yeah, here we are. Yeah, we finished the race. The run, I'm fucking tired. I'm fucking wet, but that's okay. That's another run for the week. I'm so happy I did this. I'll see you tomorrow.